Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, Sicilian defense. Let's get Najdorf. Let's go with E6. That looks awkward, is it? Knight. The idea of knight takes E6. We go put this castle here for a moment. Oh right, okay, I have to stop this business with E5, I guess. G6. Going to do a peace sack or something on E6 soon. Roundabout here. Oh, this could be really dangerous. Queen coming into G7. Have we got Bishop F8 just about? Maybe. Takes check. Or Rook G8 or something. Can I ignore it? Can I just move the queen? Maybe Rook G8 there. Bishop F8.
Check.
Bishop F8 in this position. Well, he's got Knight D5. And Queen D8. Knight takes. Knight takes. Don't know, is it falling apart? Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. Bishop G7. E5 for take. I think Bishop G7 for a moment. If I can get to play Rook F8, that would be fun. I'm happy to get this far. Queen E7, is that knight takes on the queen? Or can I just take the queen off? Looks like a healthy position. Piece up. Knight G4. I think I'm doing right here. I get bishop e6 in, I'll connect the rooks. Two pieces. I'm not convinced by that.
Check.
Knight e6 to affect the rook. Also forking rook and bishop here. I don't think that's good for him to do that. There. I'll take the rook. I've got bishop e6 hitting his bishop and blocking the pawn. I don't want that being a troublemaker. Takes h4, but can I take this one? I'm two pieces up here. Okay, his pawn's maybe a problem. I was just giving him a perpetual check.
Check.
At minimum. Oh man, after all
Check.
that. It just takes a perpetual check. Oh, let him escape. I guess the pawns were compensation. Yeah. As he got better at f7, he's going to try and win this. He can get a rook and pawn ending. A pawn up.
Check.
That's a shame.
Check.
Okay, yeah, he's better, I think, because of f7. Oh, am I too complacent or something? Was there a better idea there?
Check.
The engine has him about equal. Better? The engine has him better here. If I go here? Alright, there's a problem on the D file. Oh, he's right in principle then. About this stuff, this B-sack. He just played it wrong.
Check.
That looks like a complete howler. It should have been over, shouldn't it? Bishop h6 check. Yeah. Would have taken away, not just the check, it takes away the g5 square. Yeah, it's worth throwing in this check.
Check.
Also supports that as well. Somehow I'm really messed this up. I connect up all his pawns, strangely. I need to blockade them, not entertain them. Oh, this was bad news. That's drawing after that. Yeah.
Check.
Let's go here and stop bishop being lost.
Check.
This is tricky. Oh well. Oh well. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.